head on over to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to download. And again, you can search Modern Campus Involve. Once downloaded, you're going to click into this top left-hand corner and you will see an area to select your campus, select Widener University, and then you're going to want to log in using your Widener credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the page that I have pulled up right here. So it will greet you by name, and you will see right down here at the bottom of the screen, there is a QR code and your ID number. This is your digital ID. This is going to be instrumental in making the check-in process easier for all of the events that you are attending. Moving forward, you no longer need to have your physical ID present. You don't need to do a manual entry. You can just pull out your digital ID and get started. While utilizing the app, you're going to see that it mimics the web page almost completely. So you'll see all of our updates or announcements right here. You'll see any of our upcoming events, featured organizations, and then you also have a navigation bar at the bottom of the page. So if you're looking for a specific organization, you can find them under organizations, and you will see all of their information is going to appear here, including any documents that they might have. We also have the event area. So this is a calendar directly at your fingertips with all of our student-facing events. So for happening now, you can actually scroll through to see all of the events that are happening at this point in time. You'll also have a this week option and an area for all events. So let's say you are really interested in PowerPoint night. You can click right in to the event and find all of the information that you might need, as well as be able to message and ask any questions about it, share the event with friends, or even add it directly to your calendar right from the app. Now, when it comes to checking into events, if you are an administrator for your organization's portal, you're going to click into the left area where you began and click on Collect Attendance. What this is going to do is allow you access to the back end of your events. So there are two ways that you can do this. The first is you can click on Use Pin and take the pin that is created when you create your event, or you can find the event that you are looking for. I'm going to use this new RSO training as an example. You're going to click on the yellow button that's to the right of that, and you're going to see that on the back end, you have the opportunity to use either barcode or manual entry. Now, with barcode, if you remember that screen that I showed you at the very beginning had a digital ID, all you will need to do is take that digital ID, place it in frame, let the app scan it, and you will immediately be checked in, which is really exciting because, again, all you need is the app. You can also do manual entry, so that would be entering your ID number or your Widener email address and clicking submit. Either option will work. The barcode just tends to be the faster of the two. Once you start checking people in, you will see a number appear under attendees of how many have checked in, and you'll be able to search attendees. You'll also notice that the pin is located in the upper right-hand corner, so if you prefer the pin option, you can still utilize that. When checking in using this new app, you will have to have only the folks who are administrators of your portal helping to check in. No one else will have access to this back end. So it will rely on your executive board members to assist with checking in. The Checkpoint app is no longer available in the Google Play Store, and it will remain in the App Store for a little bit longer, but we really want to encourage you to begin using this new way and utilizing that digital ID. If you have any questions, of course, you can stop by the Office of Student Engagement. We are located on the lower level of the University Center, right across from the Esports Lounge, and any of our office assistants or professional staff members are more than happy to walk you through.